In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust and reset your text size on Microsoft Teams, making it easier for you to navigate and read on the platform. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, these simple steps will help you customize your viewing experience according to your preference. Let's dive right in and make sure you're comfortable while working or attending meetings on Teams. First and foremost, if you're on Microsoft Teams through your web browser at teams.microsoft.com, you'll find that you can easily increase the size of everything on your screen, including the text, ensuring better readability. If you're using a Windows computer, you can achieve this by holding down the Control key, often labeled as Ctrl on your keyboard, and then pressing the plus key, which may be located near the backspace or next to the 0. For those using a Mac, the process is just as straightforward. You need to press the Command key, often denoted by the CMD symbol, and simultaneously hit the plus key. You should notice an immediate difference in the size of text and other elements on your screen, making it much easier to follow along with conversations or presentations. It's important to remember that increasing the text size affects the entire interface, not just the messages or chats. This means menus, icons, and other on-screen elements will also expand, helping you interact more easily with all parts of Teams. This can be particularly handy during meetings where shared content might appear a bit small, or if you generally prefer larger text for comfort without changing system settings on your computer. Now, let's talk about reverting to the original size when you no longer need the zoomed view. It's just as simple as the zooming process itself. For Windows users, you just hold the Control key and press the 0 key, which sits alongside the number keys at the top of your keyboard. Similarly, Mac users can reset their view by holding the CMD key and pressing 0. Essentially, you are resetting any changes you've made, bringing all elements back to their default sizes. This is a quick way to toggle between views based on your current needs or preferences. These keyboard shortcuts can be incredibly useful, whether you're preparing for a meeting, reviewing documents, or simply catching up on chat messages. By adjusting your view in Teams, you can ensure the interface works best for you, optimizing productivity and reducing eye strain. Remember, technology is all about making your life easier, so don't hesitate to make these adjustments whenever needed. And that sums up how you can effortlessly adjust and reset the text size in Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that these tips make your Teams experience more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.